everybody. So I got this light a couple days ago. Let me see, hold on. Just started the car, but I got this engine light only because I installed a downpipe from PRL. It's a bigger downpipe than the stock one, so even if it's catted or catless, eventually you're gonna get this code. And I ran the code. It's a cat code, so don't get crazy or worried about it. It's like it's just like a mental code right now. It doesn't even, just ignore it. If you get it, you got a downpipe on your car and a front pipe installed. So just leave it out. Pretty much it means it's telling you that it's time for you to tune me up. So I'm gonna get a Ktuner and install the Ktuner, maybe stage 2 possibly, because I have an intake, the downpipe, the front pipe, the resonator muffler is delete already. So most likely I'm gonna get a stage 2 on this. So I might gain 50 plus horsepower and I don't know how much torque, but it's on the PRL Motorsports. That's where I get my stuff from. But yeah, and then this engine light will be gone once you tune it with that Ktuner. But not a big issue. Don't go crazy or anything like that. Don't worry about it. I didn't lose any boost or anything like that. So it's fine. It's perfectly fine. It's normal. It's just there to mess with your head. Just ignore it. Those who are new to installing a downpipe, just letting you guys know that you're gonna get the engine light at some point. So relax. I hope this helped you guys out. So stay tuned, like, subscribe, and hit the notification icon bell to support the channel. And see you guys next. Hopefully a Ktuner, or let you guys see a comparison on the exhaust system. My friends had a different exhaust setup, so let's see how that goes.